just to follow up on this subwoofer for Curtis. So originally we had decided on the 10-inch with this Power HX2 motor, but I built a Cylon with this frame, and the guy ended up killing it, bringing it back. And so I was like, let me make you two of something, so that it's just people get real demanding and they think, you know, one badass subwoofer is like magical, and it's like, no, people still want like hair tricks, but they only want to pay like 500 bucks. Thank you for your patience if you understand that. So, but if you don't understand that and you're kind of a dick about it and you're like, Patrick, you've disappointed me again, I'm like, you can fuck off. So that's fine. I went all tits McGee for him on these using the T2 spring terminals, which are 4 gauge, even though it doesn't really matter. It's just mostly for looks. So, but glossy Power HX2 frame, and then we did the what is this, the Mega Roll? Yeah, this is actually the GONZO cone, and then he covered it with a cap from that he liked. I didn't really like it. It was from Oscar, Mr. Music Man's China woofers. He went ahead and harvested the cap, and I had to prep it and shave the sides, and it looked really shitty. So we ended up doing a epoxy bead to secure it into place. I also did a inner cap to keep this one from popping off. I wasn't sure how I was doing it. Sometimes I just do an inner cap for my own satisfaction, so that I know it's like bulletproof, or at least that section is bulletproof. So but then we just put the sticker on it, and that's it. So here it is, a super new classic type of awesome retro awesome woofer. It's a dual 2 ohm, and he'll probably sell it to some Rockford collector for like $1,000. So that's what Curtis likes to do. So he's like, yeah, man. And then hear people complain about me on the forums. They're like, oh, Patrick and his stupid woofers. I'm like, okay, if you think they're stupid, I don't care. I think they're pretty rad. So, and you're not going to get this anywhere else unless maybe like David from PSI or somebody like that. And David's expensive. Like I'm still very affordable. So, but it may have to change here when we get going with Blackjack, just mostly so that we can quell a lot of people's high expectations. So if we raise the prices, and then we also are upfront with the time demands that are required, at least we'll make more money. I'm like behind on a bunch of orders, and I just don't have so much time. I had a bunch of personal stuff come up this week as well. I don't really want to get into, but people are just demanding, and it's like, dude, you can't get this made anywhere else. And like I've talked about with David at PSI / fixmyspeaker.com, sometimes he'll just turn off the website. He's like, fuck everybody, turn off the website, and you don't get anything out of them. So I don't want to do that. I'm still working on getting the loan for Blackjack, so that I can have at least one other, maybe 2 technicians here that can help me build and do stuff with me. I'll still be the designer, artist type of whatever guy, but I got to do more in order to not only satisfy everybody, but also to just keep up with demand. I mean, you guys really like this stuff, and I'm glad I'm able to provide something like this that's American made and still very affordable. So, but I love you. I'm not going to promise anything, but I think I can do some. I got to do some review videos that I've been too busy to take care of, and I want to do this weekend, and also build, and a bunch of other stuff. So more this weekend. I love you. Bye.